how to open WeChat account without scanning QR code. So let's get started. Firstly, install the WeChat app from the App Store in iPhone or Google Play Store in Android. Once opened, you can see there are login and sign up option available there. Inside sign up, you can see sign up with number, email or the Facebook account. So we don't do sign up here. Simply go to the login option available in there. After you tap on the login, inside the login option, you will get to see more options available in the bottom in blue highlights. Simply tap on it. Then tap on the help center option available in the top. Now let's wait for a few seconds for it to load. After that, simply tap on the feedback option available there. Then after you tap on the feedback, simply write down the feedback to the WeChat support that you don't want to create a QR code or scanning steps to appear. So if you ask for them, they might help you with this. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.